Today I'm reviewing this ash vacuum that was sent to me. It's a great product. We have this wood burning stove here. We make a lot of fires. Winter is coming. There's no central heat in our house, so this gets utilized a lot. And cleaning them out with the bucket we have and everything gets tedious. This thing has a very long power cable, which is good because there's no outlets around this wood burning stove, so we have to do it from the other side of the room. So it's 3 meters. It's super long. It also comes with 3 of these extension tubes and these cast iron wheels. It has this nice metal structure, and it's pretty loud. That's the one thing I will say, but it is also very powerful. It puts out 1200 watts of power, has a 1.2 meter built-in metal hose, 3-piece extended pipes, as I said, and it's a 20 kPa capacity. Since it has this metal hose, and let me see if I can get it right here, this tip right here, it's helpful. You can even do somewhat hot ashes. I believe on the product page it said up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit or so, so obviously not embers, but everything else. Comes with these attachments, little crevice tool right here, and this big one for sweeping in front of the fireplace, etc. I'm about to clean everything back up here, and I will show you that. And it works really great. It has this handle, has these spots up here to put the tools on, and on these legs I realized you can put the extension tubes right here. Nice solid steel right here. Now let's go ahead and show it in action.